sunglasses as well, and just pop that on and tell me this is not a vibe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another get ready with me, and today's wig is from Wowafrican. So I'm working with this blonde pixie wig that they've sent me, and guys, I actually really like this wig. It's so cute, and I feel like there's so many different ways that I can style this. Like I can even decide to go back and dye this wig a different blonde color, because I do kind of feel like, you know, this is a bit yellow. Or I can even tone the wig. I can do anything I want to do with the wig. And when it comes to the lace as well, the lace is really good, and I really like the hairline. And the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, as you guys can see. So, and when it comes to my makeup, so this is what my makeup is saying. I've not really done anything crazy or anything special. I'm going bold in, so you know, I've just done something very simple. Like this is my everyday makeup look. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. And obviously because my wig is blonde as well, I said, you know what, let me keep it very simple. My brows are quite soft, so you know, nothing too harsh. But yeah, if you want to see how I styled this wig and also how I got this makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned. Also stay tuned to see my outfit. Also make sure you check down below for anything you'd like to know. I'll list all the makeup products I've used and also the links that you need for the wig as well. So okay, so guys, so today's video, I'm just gonna have you watch me do my makeup and do my hair. I'm not speaking through this video because it is way too hot and I need to have my fan on. So just sit down, relax, and watch me get myself together. guys, I'm nearly done. As you guys can see, this wig is looking so cute. I mean, the blonde, I kind of wish I toned it, but we're just gonna have to work with this. I like the fact that it's blonde because I can always go back in and kind of like dye it whatever color that I would like. So I think I'm probably gonna end up dyeing this wig. It's so cute. So I'm gonna finish off my makeup by applying the 𝐿𝑓 lip plumping lip gloss in the shade Sparkling Rose, and I'm not applying any lipstick today. This is so cute, oh my god. And then I'm gonna apply my Too Faced lip injection. Okay, so this is me done. This is what my makeup looks like. Very simple. I've just gone because I'm literally only going to bowling today, so you know, nothing crazy. And I used the 𝐼𝐤𝐠 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥 Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray today. So I'm gonna go back to my hair now, and I'm just gonna apply some hair serum because I feel like blonde hair is obviously prone to feeling kind of dry, so I'm just gonna apply some to the hair. And now I'm just gonna add some heat to the hair. This wig doesn't really require for me to do too much to it, so there's not really much you need to do to this wig. I really like, oh my god, this wig is so cute. And now I'm just gonna go back in with my hot comb. And this is me done. So when it comes to my outfit, I'm just wearing this two-piece that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I'll insert a picture right here so you guys can actually see the full thing, but this is what the top looks like, and then it's just some jogging bottoms at the bottom as well. And then I'm going to pair that with my Balenciaga bag and some chunky trainers that I've had for so long, and you can't really see the trainers anyway, so you know. And then I'm going to wear my Valentino sunglasses as well, and just pop that on and tell me this is not a vibe. And yeah guys, so that is the end of this video. I actually, let me include fragrance as well. Like, I need to smell good, sorry. So I'm gonna use my ZARA perfume. This is the YSL dupe that they have. It's called Golden Decade. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna spray that on, and I need to get going because my train is, you know, I don't want to miss my train. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below as well. Let me know what you think of this wig, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.